How to prevent accidental phone calls while your phone is in the pocket or in a bag on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on display. Next, scroll down and in here tap on accidental touch protection. Make sure you tap on the toggle button to turn this on. When this is switched on, it can protect your phone from accidental touches such as making calls or sending text messages when you have it in your pocket or in a bag. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.